Most PTE candidates do not know how to crack the reorder on the first attempt. It's not because it's harder, but because they do not know the simple logic behind it. There'll be a standalone sentence which will be introducing the topic, followed by transitional words, time sequence, or even articles sometimes. The pairs will get the score, and you'll be getting 1 mark for every pair. This is Sridhar from PTE Language Institute, your only PTE success mentor. Please watch this power-packed video till the end. If you're unable to crack the PTE on the first attempt, please do call us or WhatsApp us in the number given on the description below. Let's get started. Let's see what do we have here. Here it is a simple reorder paragraph. First we have to find out the standalone sentence. Okay, let us dive into our first reorder paragraph. Over time, street food has gained popularity among all social classes. I don't see that it is a standalone kind of a sentence. As a result, also tells about something later on. Initially, it was a way for low-income individuals to afford meals. Street food has become a global phenomenon reflecting the diversity of cultures and cuisines. Looks like a standalone sentence here. Initially, it was a way for low-income individuals to afford meals. Looks like the pair here. Then over time, street food has gained popularity among all social classes. As a result, looks like a concluding sentence. It now represents an essential element of urban culture and gastronomy. For the two pairs, you'll be getting 2 marks here. Okay, let us dive into the next reorder paragraph. In this reorder paragraph, in recent years, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power have seen remarkable growth. Looks like a standalone sentence. Then the pair is initially high costs and technological limitations slowed their adoption, but ongoing innovations have significantly reduced these barriers, making renewables increasingly competitive with traditional fossil fuels. But ongoing innovations have significantly reduced these barriers, making renewables increasingly competitive with traditional fossil fuels. This shift is crucial in mitigating the impacts of climate change and ensuring a sustainable energy future. Looks like a closing sentence. Okay, that was easier. Let us look into another reorder paragraph. The first sentence here talks about molecular gastronomy and fusion cuisines are examples of this creativity. It doesn't look like a standalone sentence. The culinary world is experiencing a wave of innovation and experiment. It's not talking about any pair, so it looks like the standalone sentence here. All right, let's look for the pair. So when we are talking about the culinary world is experiencing a wave of innovation and experimentation is related to cooking and chefs. So chefs are exploring novel ingredients and cooking techniques to create unique dining experiences. Looks like the correct pair here. Then the unique dining experiences can be seen in molecular gastronomy and fusion cuisines are examples of this creativity, followed by while these trends excite food enthusiasts, they also challenge traditional culinary boundaries, sometimes sparking controversy. Looks like the concluding sentence here. All right, then let's dive into next reorder paragraph. In this reorder paragraph, however, looks like a transitional word which is connecting with another sentence. So interest in healthy eating has grown significantly in recent years. Looks like the standalone sentence here. Then consumers are becoming more aware of the nutritional content of their food. Looks like the pair here. This awareness has led to increased demand for organic and whole foods. However, despite the growing trend, fast food remains a popular, convenient choice for many, highlighting the ongoing struggle between health and convenience. Looks like a concluding sentence. Let us dive into the next reorder paragraph. Sometimes you have the reorder on the chronology or vice versa. So let us look at this particular reorder. Here, therefore, this and they looks like a pairing sentence. So airplanes play a critical role in global cargo transportation. Looks like a standalone sentence. They provide fastest way to ship goods over long distances. This is especially important for time-sensitive products like perishable foods and medical supplies. Therefore, looks like a concluding sentence. Therefore, the efficiency and speed of air cargo are vital in our increasingly interconnected global economy. Just before I get started with another reorder paragraph, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future. Also comment below as to what kind of videos would you prefer for me to upload in the future. That way it will be beneficial for you as well. Let us move on to the next reorder paragraph. Here, over time, initially, consequently, is pairing another standalone topic sentence. So the invention of the airplane revolutionized long distance travel looks like a standalone sentence. Initially, these aircraft were basic and could only carry a few passengers. Over time, advancements in technology and engineering allowed for larger and more efficient designs. Consequently, today's airplanes can travel farther and faster, making global travel more accessible than ever before, looks like a concluding sentence here. In this reorder, however, thus they looks like a connecting pairs. So livestock play a crucial role in agriculture should be the standalone sentence, which introduces the topic. They not only provide meat and dairy products, but also contribute to crop production through manure, which enriches soil fertility, looks like a connecting pair. However, intensive livestock farming raises concerns about environmental sustainability and animal welfare. Thus, there is a growing emphasis on sustainable farming practices, looks like the concluding sentence here. Also, look at my other videos for reorder paragraphs in which I have introduced 5 sentences reorder paragraphs, which is really complex, which will certainly help you to crack your IELTS on the first attempt with 90 or 90. Let us dive into another reorder paragraph now. In this reorder, it is influence looks like a pronoun which is pairing with another sentence. For instance, is also pairing with another sentence. So the price of beef can be quite volatile should be the standalone sentence here. It is influenced by a variety of factors including feed costs, demand and weather conditions affecting cattle farming is pairing with the standalone sentence. For instance, drought can lead to increased feed costs and reduced supply, driving up beef prices. As such, both producers and consumers are subject to the unpredictability of the market, looks like a concluding sentence here. Sometimes we have to look for the pronoun and connectors to be on the safer side. Let us dive into next reorder paragraph. In this reorder paragraph, some, this and others looks like they are pairing with another sentence. So the relationship between language and thought is a topic of considerable debate in linguistics and psychology, looks like a standalone sentence. Some argue that language shapes thought, influencing how we perceive and interact with the world, looks like the pair for the introductory sentence. Others contend that our thoughts are independent of language, with language merely expressing pre-existing ideas. This debate highlights the complex interplay between language cognition and culture, looks like a concluding sentence. Let us move on to our final reorder paragraph. In this reorder paragraph, however, initially this looks like they are pairing some other sentence. So biofuels derived from the biological materials like plants and algae offer a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, looks like a standalone sentence. Initially, their production raised concerns about food security and land use, which looks like a pairing sentence with a standalone sentence. However, advancements in biofuel technology have led to more efficient production methods, reducing their environmental footprint, looks like another pair. This makes biofuel a viable option in the transition towards a greener energy economy. Viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to comment because it is valuable to me so that I can improve my videos in the future, which is going to benefit you. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.